Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the world of Spotify, showing you how to keep the vibe going by repeating your favorite song over and over again. Whether you're trying to master the lyrics of the latest hit or just want to keep the mood steady, I've got you covered. Let's jump right into it. First things first, open your Spotify application on your device. With Spotify open on your desktop, navigate and play the song you wish to repeat. Choose whichever song you want from the search bar or the playlist that you've created. Right at the bottom of the screen, you'll see the Now Playing bar. Directly to the left of the playback controls, there's the repeat icon. Click it once to activate repeat for the entire queue. Click it again to activate repeat for the single song you're currently obsessed with. And there you have it, endless playback of your favorite track. And folks, that's all there is to it. Now you can keep the party going, dive deep into a new album, or master those tricky song lyrics by repeating your chosen song on Spotify.